Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science in Class 8. First, focus on truly understanding the core concepts. Don't just memorize. Try to grasp the why behind each principle. Break down larger topics into smaller, more manageable parts. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can be incredibly helpful for seeing how different ideas connect and for simplifying complex processes. Next, engage in active learning. Simply reading isn't enough. Make sure to solve all the exercises in your textbook and practice additional questions. If possible, try simple experiments at home to see science in action. Discussing what you've learned with classmates or your teacher can also help solidify your understanding and clear up any confusion. Effective revision is crucial for retaining information. Create your own concise notes and flashcards, highlighting key formulas and definitions. Make it a habit to regularly review topics you've already covered. This strengthens your memory over time. Don't wait until the last minute. Test yourself often with sample papers and short quizzes to identify areas needing more attention. Finally, manage your time wisely and use available resources. Set aside specific daily time slots for science subjects. Explore online educational videos and supplementary books to gain different perspectives. Remember, it's okay to ask for help from your teachers or peers if you're struggling. A positive attitude makes a big difference in your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.